Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and how are you? This is another video, and I wanted to give you messages for June end, how June end is going to be with you. So let me see what messages I can channel. Guys, remember general reading like I always say. So let's see what June is going to bring you. A powerful change. Eclipse does bring powerful changes, doesn't it? So a powerful change is going to happen in your life, guys. This is a general reading for all the zodiac signs. So one of you can expect, a lot of you can expect a lot of powerful change happening in your life. And I don't know why I want to say Sagittarius with this. Right now when I'm doing a reading, I want to say if you're a Sagittarius, then it is all about expecting a powerful a change in your life. And I also feel powerful changes are sometimes sudden also. So I also feel a sudden change that's going to happen. Have faith in your dreams, guys. Don't lose faith. So guys who were thinking that I cannot do this anymore, or this is not meant for me, and I don't know what is the outcome of this, please don't think this way, because I feel whatever you which path you're following or whatever road that you're taking is fine. You have to have faith in your dreams. So I want to say, don't change your path right now. If that's the that's something that I wanted to say to you guys, that don't change your paths. Like I said, hold your vision. You changing your vision, not holding your vision. Don't confused about the thing that you're doing. It's like if you started something new, you're just wondering if that is going to be right for you. Is that the right job? Is that the right business? Is that the right career? Is that the right course? So I get all these answers coming to you. So hold your vision, have faith, and expect powerful changes, guys. That's what I am getting. What's June going to bring to you guys? Let me see what's June going to bring. This is wonderful. A lot of you are not holding on to your past, especially when it comes to relationship. You've let go of the relationship. You've let go of the emotions that were attached to the relationship and to the person. So it's just not letting about the person go, but I think, guys, you've also let go of the relationship and the person and the emotions. Some of you need healing and are not really looking after your health condition, and you've not been feeling well, and you're ignoring all the red flags when it comes to your health. Some problem from the past is going to creep up is what I get, because I also did a reading for solar eclipse, and I feel something from the past. There was a problem that did get cured, or that was, you were healed from the situation or the problem, but that's going to creep up again. So something is going to come back to your life and trouble you, especially a health problem, something health related. So be careful, guys. Do keep running all your tests that you normally have to do in every 6 months or 1 year, whatever, as directed by the doctor or your physician, whoever you are dealing with. Not believing in your dreams, not holding your visions. Maybe that's why prosperity is not there. You also now have abandoned the idea if that idea is going to really make money for you guys or not. I don't know why I get that, but I have a feeling you guys are not very happy with what's going on, and you feel the business or the money or the job that you've just gotten into, any idea, it's not going to bring you money. I don't know why I'm getting that channel line again and again, that it's not going to suit you, it's not going to give you money, that's not what you wanted from your business, your outcome is not fine. You also are trying to get into another business is what I get. I feel you already did start with two businesses, but there is one business that you think is not going to give you enough money, and you're going to give up that business, and that's going to be too soon, and you're going to move your focus. Probably that's why it says hold your vision, hold your focus, and please also put in your hard work in whatever you've just started. Maybe it needs more time. Sometimes businesses are, I don't know why I want to say business, but yeah, sometimes business also needs more time. I also feel like a relationship, I think you need to put in more effort into that relationship. It's not like you've just got into a relationship and you think things are going to be fine, it's going to be like a fairy tale romance. It doesn't happen unless you put in effort. You both have to put in effort is what I get. I'm just changing my deck, guys, and I want to give you more messages for June and whatever I can. Just a few days left for June to end. I don't know why I want to say for Aries, a lot of stillness with you guys, not moving ahead, not feeling good about a situation, not making any decision in the situation. It's not moving ahead is also what I'm getting. Also not changing your stance in a particular situation. The waters are really still. I feel also that you're feeling a little bit lazy, not wanting to do something, not trying to change your job, not looking for a new job, getting lazy in the whole situation. You know that you're not very happy with the job, but you're not doing much about it, is also what I get. So I get a lot of still waters with you guys. There's less action, no action, in fact. Some of you are feeling grounded, which is good. I think you did make some losses in something that you put your money in. It was a risky situation. Right now, after losing some kind of a money, you feel you have to be grounded more in your thoughts, in your ideas. You can't just make impulsive decisions, and that's what's grounding you. And something a wrong money decision that you made, and you were very proud of the whole fact that you know how to handle money, or you know how to handle your business or the situation. But that loss has really grounded you. Something that you've lost, something that was important for you, and that's made you realize the real situation and the real problem. And I don't know why I feel, but I feel there was a lot of pride in the situation, and you were very proud of the fact the way you were handling the situation probably didn't turn out the way you wanted it to turn out. So I want you to, yeah, feel a little grounded and reassess the situation in a different way. Look at it, look at the situation with fresh new eyes, is what I want to say. Transformation. Some of you will change your look. I feel some of you will change your job completely or your career. Whoever's listening to this, really, you're going to take a new route. I don't know why I want to say a new route. It's a new road. It's not going to lead you to a job or a situation where you have a certain kind of ability, or you've been doing a certain kind of a job for a long time, but you're really changing your path right now. It's totally different from what you have been doing. And I get with a Gemini, I get with a Scorpio. I also get a Capricorn. If you're any of these signs, I feel that suddenly you will have this urge to change your path, and you would want to do something very different and unique, something you haven't been doing for a long time, or something you've never done before. That's the kind of feeling that I get. For the Pisces, I get the channel words, don't move. So don't move from the place you are right now. It could be your job, it could be whatever a situation, a love situation. So wherever you are, stay there. I think it's not the time to change. Get into changing something. I get I also feel not the time to redecorate your house. I don't know why I want to say that. Do it after 12 days. Do it after 12 days whenever you're listening to this reading. It's a timeless it's not sorry, it's not a timeless reading, guys, because this is June end. So whenever you're listening to this reading, 12 days from that day, then redecorate. I don't know why I don't want you guys to redecorate right now. Release the situation, guys. I don't know why Aries is coming to my mind again. Aries came to my mind, a Sagittarian came to my mind. You need to release something from your life, and that's when you're going to feel better. You have to make this release, guys. And I'm getting a big release. I'm getting a big let it go words. Those words are coming into my mind again and again. So you have to let go, okay? Let go of the situation, let go of the control of the situation. You controlling the situation too much, and you need to let go of it, guys. Work with someone. You need to work with a partner, guys. I also feel if you want to start a business or something new, you need to work with someone. You'll work better. Alone you feel weaker. That's the channel message that I want to get. So if you were asking me a question while listening to this reading, that should I work with a person or should I work alone, I think you need to work with a partner. That's going to give you that's going to bring you luck in some way. I don't know why I want to say this, but the partner is going to be lucky for you. This card is coming back to me again and again. I was not picking up. I thought it didn't belong in this reading, but this is going back to your roots. This is wanting to go back to your roots. Guys, this has come reversed and I'm reading it very differently, but this is going back to your roots. Your roots were rock solid, some kind of a foundation you're missing. Probably you were in a relationship that time which was rock solid, and you just gave up on the person, and right now the relationship you are in is not really good. I also get a job situation. The job you were in was a very good job. You were stable there, there was no instability, but right now I think you've given that job up and you've taken a new job, and you're not really feeling good, and you're missing the last job. That's what I want to say as a channel message. I want to give one or two love messages. I'm going to use my new deck. I've been talking about it, the Romance Angels. I want to give you 3 love messages, guys. So remember, this is a general reading, might or might not resonate. But what are the 3 love messages that I want to give you? Chemistry. This card is coming up a lot today. A lot of chemistry between 2 people. So if you're in a relationship, or you've just found a person that you're going around with, or you're just wanting to know what is you're the attraction quotient or whatever with the person, and you're feeling a lot of chemistry, you really feeling drawn towards the other person, I feel there is a lot of chemistry, and I would say yes, go for it. If you wanted to ask me a question, or if there was a question in your mind, the answer to it is yes, go for it. This person has a lot of attraction for you and will really love you. I get a lot of Taurian energy. I don't know if you're a Taurian, are you going to deal with a Taurian, or you're going to meet a Taurian. So yes, even 12 number is important for you guys. Attraction, I told you guys. There's a lot of attraction. There's a lot of chemistry between you two. It's a beautiful relationship. A lot of romance, very romantic, very when you read stories and there's a lot of romance in it, I feel it is going to be a story which is similar to this one. And you're really going to feel drawn. I want to use the word magnet here. It's very, the personality is as such that, you'll be drawn to the person. It's like a magnet, and the person is going to act like a magnet, and you will not be able to stop yourself. You will fall in love with this person. I get a Taurian. I don't know why. I get a Taurian big time. Give a relationship a chance. So for people who were thinking of quitting, not wanting to work on the relationship, I want to say, guys, give it a chance. Give it a second chance. Maybe things will be better. You will feel better. Resolve the issues that there are in the situation you are in. This one really needs a chance. This situation does need a chance. And I don't think it's a really big problem, and you guys are just fighting on silly things. I get the word silly, and I want to give one more message. I'm shuffling the cards, that's why I think the channel message is still one more message has to be given to you guys. Unrequited love. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. So guys, for some of you, if you wanted me to answer the question that was there in your mind, for some of you, there is not much chemistry left in this situation, guys. So a lot of 2 different messages for you. A lot of you, there is chemistry if you just met the person, or if you feel you're really drawn to the person, there is attraction. But some of you who have been thinking that your life is getting boring, your relationship is not the same again, yes, there is no attraction. I feel the attraction is less right now. You did really start with a lot of attraction, a lot of chemistry, but I think for you, some of you, a few of you, one of you, there is less of attraction. I think you can work on it. I don't know why, guys. I still don't want you to give up on this relationship. Though, guys, this is general guidance. I always want you to do whatever you think is right for you guys. So I can only put you on the right path and tell you what messages I'm getting from my spirit guides. So let's include 2 health messages also for June end. Doing too many things together, getting tired. I think you guys need rest. Running here, running there. I get a lot of running in the situation. Even if you're at home, but you're doing so many things that you almost got tired today, or whenever you were listening to my reading and you were like, enough is enough. I need to take a break. I need to sleep. I need to just get privacy. I don't want to be with other people. I don't want to talk to people. That's the kind of messages I'm picking up. Working really hard, and that's affecting your health. Working really hard to make money, being up all night, not sleeping well, not resting well, guys. I think you really need to rest. If you've been really after money, everybody is after money, but if you're really been after money for for the past 10, 12 days or 13 days, guys, I really think you need to take a break. That will really help you. I want you to work with an amethyst stone. For some of you, a few of you, amethyst is really good. Work with it. And I'm just seeing if there's any other messages that I want to give. I want to close this reading with one more message. Let's see what is the last message for June end. Yes, if you're dealing with a 7 number, there is deceit. If it's a relationship, if it's a job, if you think your boss is not right, if he's hiring somebody else, he's saying things behind your back. I don't know why I want to say this boss situation. Boss is always like that, isn't it? So if you feel yes, the boss is talking behind. I don't know why I get the word boss again, boss again. Somebody is bossing over you. It's just not deceit. It's somebody really bossing over you, and you're not liking the situation, guys. I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give two colors today for June end. Let me see. Sorry, it's making a noise. Again, blue. It's kind of light blue and a little blue. I'm going to say Mediterranean or a sky blue. Let me see if I want to give you guys a charm. I got the wheel in my hand, so it's time for action. June end, there'll be a lot of action. So before you move to July, June end, there is a lot of action. You're going to be as busy as a bee, like we always say, and you will have wheels on your heels. Even if you can't go out, it's something, a lot of frantic activity in the house. That's what I feel. A lot of coming, a lot of going, room to room, because this is a COVID situation. Everybody is inside a house, so I feel a lot of activity in your life, being busy as a bee, like I already said, and a lot of buzz. I feel a lot of buzz around you. A lot of gossip also you're going to hear. I don't know why I want to put the word gossip. That came to me like a channel message. I also want to give you two numbers. So I'm going to roll the die. That's what I always do. 7 number is important for you. I think I said that, guys, in the beginning. And number 6. Two numbers that are important for you, number 7 and number 6. So thank you so much, guys, for listening to this reading, and I'll be back again with another reading. Enjoy your reading today. This is how June is going to be. June is almost ending, a few days left, so whatever is left of it, you can make the most of it. So this was the reading. Thank you, guys. Good night. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do leave a comment. I always read the comments. Bye, guys.